How to make a Gantt chart on Monday.com. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, you're going to go on this add option, and over here there's an option of Gantt. Now over here you can click on Gantt option. Now you have to do it for days, weeks, or months, or yearly or quarterly, whatever you want. Let's say I'm going for weeks. Now I have to add something over here so that it can be done. So let's say I am adding something. So this is the option of zoom in, then zoom out, and this is the more option. Now I have to click on full screen rename, or let's say I am rename this Gantt, and I'm going to say this at Gantt this option. So I can add any option that I want, and this is the items of this month and the other months. This is how I can put it and edit a Gantt chart on my Monday.com site. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.